Hey, this is Curtis Hyde with Colorado Computer Support. It is the second day of the week. That means it's Tuesday, so it is time for the Tuesday Tech Tip. Thanks for joining me. And today we're going to talk about one of the simplest ways you can fix a lot of user problems or user errors with a computer. It's very simple. This works with tablets, cell phones, smart TVs, computers, and that is very easily done just by turning your computer off and then turning it back on. It sounds very weird, very cliche, and all you're doing is just basically giving your computer a fresh reset. It just closes everything out and allows it to wake up ready to work. Best way to think about this is just taking your car for an oil change. You're going to bring it in, flush the engine out of all the oil that's been collected over the thousands of miles that's been in there, all the grime and things your engine's been going on, put fresh oil in it, allow it to perform and work better with a fresh set of oil. Now take that same thought to the computer. Turn it off, turn it on. It allows it to give a complete reset, allows it to get rid of all the programs, everything that's been running in the background, and give it a fresh breath of air for it to be able to perform and work better for you. And of course, take care of all those finicky problems that are frustrating you whenever you're using your basic workstation day to day. If you have any other questions about this or need any other further assistance with computers inside of your business, feel free to give us a phone call. We are Colorado Computer Support. You can reach us at 719-439-0599 or find us on the web at www.coloradosupport.com. Well, thanks for joining us for this week's Tuesday Tech Tip. We will see you next week and have a wonderful rest of your day. Thank you so much.